You will love the features of this 2022 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an off-roader's dream come true, the Gladiator. This uniquely designed midsize pickup delivers rugged versatility, modern comfort, and classic upright styling. Impressive towing capability, available diesel power, and a host of customizing options let you create the adventure machine that's perfect for you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, V6 cylinder engine, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, premium sound system. Get the off-road capability you want and the practical convenience you need in this family-friendly Gladiator. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.